Want to learn a second method for downloading data from ArcGis online and then putting it back into your existing geodatabase? Then stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel for another quick tutorial. This time we will be learning a second method for downloading data from ArcGis online, and this is after you've collected it in your collector for ArcGis map and then getting this data back into your existing geodatabase. So this time we will be doing everything from ArcMap. Let's get started. So we launch our initial collector MXD. This is our map document. This is the same map that was used to publish the layers that was to be collected in ArcGis online or in collector for ArcGis. These layers are in a geodatabase, as you can see. I will sign into my ArcGis online account, and right away you will see my hosted services. So I can add from there. Or I can add from ArcGis online by going here. Anyhow, I add the feature service that was used in collector to my map. In my scenario, I collected a new building that I want to add to my existing geodatabase. So I start editing and I make sure I'm editing my existing geodatabase. I simply select the building that I want to copy. This is from my feature service. I ensure that it is selected from my feature service, and then I paste it to my buildings layer that is in my existing geodatabase. And that's it. Just copy and paste. There are a few drawbacks, however, to using this method. As you can see, the type attribute here is null, which means that attributes that are associated with my domain didn't copy. So I would have to edit that here. There is another solution, however. You can always export data to a shapefile or a geodatabase feature class and then append or load into your existing geodatabase. My last tutorial actually shows you how to both append and load, so you can check that out. I will link it at the end of this video. And of course, you must save edits. Please check out my next series of tutorials where I add location tracking to my ArcGis collector web maps, and I get started with operations dashboard to add widgets. As usual, thanks so much for tuning into this quick tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.